Hi y'all, this is a hack y'all can do at the Dollar Tree. I found these over there in the toys. See, it's a necklace. Okay, they come like 3 to a pack. Or I don't remember how many they come. But anyway, I'm going to put them on my Christmas tree. And these pop, I found if I take my thick blade, this scissors, and smash really hard in the middle. Don't try to pull them and stuff, because if you do, see how it just pops apart? Then you just connect it to your long strand and just keep going. I'll show you what it looks like when I finish. Sorry about that. My husband and son were fussing, so if I get on YouTube the video, they'll shut up. I got rid of them. Let me finish here. No, Santa, quit. Okay, you see how long it is already? Now, I don't know if I want to keep going. I think I'll just take these right here and put these together, because if I just keep going on the tree, it's going to be too much. Well, let's go over to the tree. Santa! This is a little snaking. Okay, you're going to be a mess when I go to do the tree, aren't you? Little stinker. Okay, let's get these on the tree. Okay, just wanted you to see the beads on there. See? The strands of beads on there. Now, they have green and blue also. Multi-pack. But you can decorate your tree. That's a new hack from me to you. For Merry Christmas. Decorating your tree from the Dollar Tree. Bye, y'all.